Hi, this is Betsey Delorey. To demonstrate my enhancement number 8, I'm late getting this one in. As I let you know last week, I was visiting with my sister, and we had a very nice time, and I was very pleased yesterday to see that I could get through enhancement 8 quickly so I can be current this week on enhancement 9. I'll go ahead and run my program. And if I choose from the menu bar, I display the products in the categories. If I go ahead and choose the product detail page, I can choose it by the image. I can choose it by the link. By the picture. And let's see. I'm just going to go to inspect and show how it is in mobile device, a tablet, and on a laptop. And go ahead and validate this. The HTML for the categories page validates, and the CSS for the category page validates, and for the product page, the HTML validates, and the CSS validates. And I'll click out of here and show how it is responsive. Design. There's that corner. So I think that's it. Thanks for watching.